Hello, future designer. Welcome to Tish Fashion Skoolie. I am Miss Tish. I'm a fashion designer. I was a production merchandiser. I have been designing bridal gowns, manufacturing bridal gowns and other stuff. I have been an entrepreneur. Events management is one of my specialties. And above all, I am a solo mother. So welcome. I love the fashion industry. I began as a fashion designer for small boutiques, a production merchandiser for local and export companies. Then I did bridal gowns designs for the Middle East in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, Al Jamea Fashion Shop. That picture that you see here right now, that was me at that time. I was too cute. And then I was a creator and entrepreneur for gowns and events management. I still am pre-COVID. And all those enterprises were done from my home. It's a home enterprise. And as mentioned earlier, I am a solo parent. Fashion design and creation was my first love. I would sketch it from when I was still very young. In high school, I was very much preoccupied with trying to learn how to draw and trying to do things by myself, making trinkets and accessories. In college, I began a small enterprise that I could do also from the balcony of our home. And anything that I earned from that, I would save up, hoping to be able to get my own shop one day. I graduated with degrees in communication arts and marketing management at a good school, but the first love I had was still fashion design, so I applied everything and I have a lot to teach you. It was in the fashion industry that I was able to dream at a very young age, and I'm pretty sure if you're watching this episode today, you have the same. Let's make those dreams come true. This industry enabled me to combine my skills in art, design, theater production, and business. When I was in second year college, while I was taking my courses in the afternoons, I had saved every school allowance just to be able to afford and take a short fashion design and illustration course at the school of our premier Filipina designer. Some would take this in college, some would go abroad, but I didn't have that much support and that much luck. So what I did was do what I could, make sure to learn the first parts of designing, and then the rest I learned it through training and actual working for different companies. That fashion design certificate course, combined with my college degrees, saved my life in many ways. 1, gave me the employment. 2, combination of which was very practical for me. 3, when I had to become a solo parent, I was able to use it to support my child and myself. 4, I was able to travel and be able to see what it's like to design for other kinds of people, not just for my home country, not for people like me. 5, to this day, even as I get older, I still have that in with me, and it will help me to support myself. I learned the many ways to work with wonderful fabrics and how fabrics are made, how to quality control fabrics, and accessories, how to make accessories, how to use them, where to find them. Then I also learned beading and embroidery. To this day, I still love beadwork more. I worked and collaborated with many talented and skilled cutters and sewers, artisans in their own craft. I've had the privilege of collaborating with a premier Filipino fashion icon for a wedding collaboration or for wedding collection. I've also worked with other designers where they combined the designer's work and my work in one event. I've designed that most important bridal gown and entourage gowns, dressing the brides. I've had the privilege of managing and coordinating their wedding day. I've designed gowns for debutantes, managing and coordinating their production for their introduction to society, and I've also hosted a lot of events. This industry provides employment for other women both men and women, and it supports other enterprises. Above all, it will be enough for you to earn, for you to support your own families, as I was able to provide for my own. So you'll find this industry to be very resilient, even in times of trouble. So just like you, I was working on my own, doing whatever it is that I was doing on a daily basis. And then in March 2020, the world began its battle with the deadly virus, the COVID-19. In early 2021, I too contracted a mild case of the COVID-19 virus. I got sick before I was able to get my first dose of the vaccine. Because of the COVID-19 pandemic, many of the kids had to drop out of school for economic or health reasons. In the Philippines alone in the year 2021, statistics said that 1 million children, 1 million students had to drop out or stop schooling. And also, according to the statistics, 856 private schools had to close down for whatever reason. They call this the gap generation. This next generation with dreams of becoming a fashion designer or any other derivative of the industry were suspended in midair for the reasons that we just talked about. Now, when I recovered from mild COVID-19, upon my recovery, I decided that this would be the perfect time for me to pass and share the knowledge that I had gained to the next generation. I'm kinda in my mid-50s, in my late 50s. So, I've decided to help you learn about the fashion industry, learn how to draw, teach you. But please note that I am not going to be able to give you a certificate. This is not sanctioned by some school. This is me, as I am, teaching you, the next generation, how to enter the field, how to train to be a designer. I will teach you at a pace that enables you to continue your own journey in education while considering this field, and so that you can decide to take formal fashion design training in schools that will be able to give you the credentials that you'll need. Remember, this industry employs millions. It supports millions in related industries. This industry fashion, garments, has survived through the centuries. We will always be there waiting for you. To do this, even for the kids with hearing impairment, means I will be writing all the lessons for you to read in every blog. To enable you to join and learn with the skills, this works at your life pace. I will be posting videos of the lessons in order. So it's like you really like you're in school, because it's lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, and so on and so forth in different topics. And you're going to see the curriculum that I designed, not based on any school, but based on the career paths and based on my own training, my own experience. So while you're still trying to gather up the funds to go to a proper fashion school, while you're still trying to figure out, do you want to sew or do you want to be a designer, we will go through the entire industry between you and me at your pace. It's for free. I'm not gonna charge a single cent for you. If ever it could be at some point in time that you might want to help me out and donate, fine, I'll be very happy for that. Or auxiliary other ads, or help me raise the viewership that will enable me to earn from YouTube AdSense instead of from anybody else's pockets. But my goal is simply to teach and hand over to you what I have learned. So the other notes on this page here, and the other notes that will come out on this blog, will be like, subscribe, hit the bell button, share this channel, share with a friend who has the same dream. I'll give you a way for you to reach out to me so that you can maybe communicate with me, and as we go along with all the lessons, I'll give more chances for you to participate. And in the meantime, prepare your materials, prepare your time. Once every 2 weeks, 1 week to practice what you learned, 1 week to learn from me at any time you want. And then lessons for the next vlog will appear on the last lesson. It's going to be a very simple journey, but one which I'm pretty sure you will enjoy. Again, remember, I am Miss Tish. Welcome to my Fashion Skoolie! Yay! See you in the next vlog!